So I wanted to study abroad to explore new cultures. Vietnam's affordability, strong academics, and unique culture made it an easy choice. The student council, it pushed me way beyond my comfort zone. I learned to lead, collaborate, and take real challenges in a dynamic community. It gave me the confidence to take initiative now, not just in tech, but in every aspect of my life. Technology is about making an impact, so I have worked on AI-driven healthcare solutions, real-time data analytics, and cloud-based systems. But these are not just as coding exercises, but as real solutions to real-world problems. So RMIT's hands-on approach and industry connections help me turn ideas into innovation. I'm really excited to keep on growing and exploring. RMIT has transformed me completely. I have become more outgoing and discovered my passion for AI and data science, and I have taken on new challenges. So whether through a work or a master's, I want to continue to immerse myself, but now in a new culture, and make an impact in AI, sustainability, and accessibility. Thanks to RMIT, I'm ready for whatever comes next.